where are you from? Have you guys been exercising all week? Or for a while now? Oh,
it's nothing, it's none of the, none of the line, none of the explosive stuff?
No, I think it's a bruise.
just a bruise.
It's like strap or something. Is there anything else? You check your body? After. Maybe you got cut, you don't know you don't notice until after.
Right here.
Broken?
Harness.
No, I don't think so, because it's full of rope. Yeah. Those guys are going the wrong way then.
Yeah, because they see the,
You guys want to ride in?
No,
I don't care if you're wet.
Yeah.
If you mess with anything, it messes up.
Yeah.
Just sleep.
And there they go.
Be a road accident here from gawking.
Yeah, they gotta block it off now.
Yeah.
They gotta block off the road or slow down traffic.
Probably have to get your stuff out of there.
Don't touch it.
Can't touch anything here.
Okay.
Ooh, that would have been a very electrifying ending.
What is that third thing that came down?
I wouldn't see anything except those white lights.
Yeah.
It's like holy
Oh, that's, you know, that's one of the I was watching for the lines. If you were going straight for some lines, is there a way of getting away from it?
Yeah, that's what you turn. I don't know if you saw me. I started pulling up
Yeah.
the side.
Yeah.
It dealt the lift, so things started turning. Even then, I don't think I missed it by more about 20 or 30 feet.
You guys did great.
And my Danish friends.
I just watch it, and I just looked like Tiger Wing front, and then I was camping.
I couldn't believe how loud that was, how ferocious that was.
Yeah. They're all scratched up there.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
No.
They're good. They're on the right thing. Stick them right.
Military police just showed up. Oh, what?
What a fucking close. Lying in there drowning.
That's why I slowed down and then you passed me.
Can you guys do me a favor? Can you quarantine our gear and move it to the ambulance? Sure. That needs to be safe. Try to, like, whoever touches it, just sign a name and you just start custody.
Over there too.
Yeah, that has to be cordoned off so that no one can get in and touch it. Get all for the investigation. Ready for us? How you doing?
You guys alright?
Yeah. Can you take us back to base? I need some drinks. Just come back up.
If you need my card for anything.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Appreciate your help.
Yeah.
It's critical to understand this has to be cordoned off so that nothing gets touched, no one goes in there because it'll be for the investigation. This stuff custody evidence and obviously giving it to evidence team now. So you want to take the card?
Guys, do you want to go take the card?